This is my SlopePro roof. My old roof was 30 years old and it looked like it. Not only were the shingles faded and worn, but big chunks of moss were growing on it and leaves and debris were getting stuck on my roof. I called SlopePro and I said, look, I want a roof that's gonna outlast me because this is the last roof I'm ever putting on this house. We talked about our options and we agreed on a metal roof. And they did a really, really fantastic job. I mean, really at every step along the way, they blew away my expectations. They didn't just slap a new roof on top of my old roof. They removed all the old shingles. They replaced some spots in the plywood that were soft from previous damage. They replaced all the flashing around the chimney. And then they put an underlayment on the whole roof before adding the metal back in. Now, it looks like $1 million. I know I'm prejudiced, but I do have neighbors that have stopped me in the street and said, look, your roof looks fantastic. Who did it? And I said, if you want a roof like this, you got to go to SlopePro.